Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to add chapters to your videos. I'm using this particular video, which is my latest video to upload to YouTube, titled how to reduce PDF file size. Alright, so if I scroll here, take a look. If I scroll through this video, you will see you see chapters added to each time stamp or each time frame. Right. Okay, so if I also scroll to the description box, you also see here that I do have timestamps added to this section, so I'll easily make you see that. Right, so here are my timestamps. So what this simply means is that my audience can easily click on this timestamp. So I will show you that how my audience will take advantage of this timestamp. So here I have 00 and then I have a hyphen, I have introduction. So what this simply means, which is my time frame or timestamp, is that if I click on it, it takes me straight to the video's introduction. Right, so hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can compress a PDF file. Alright, so that's what happens. Now my audience can easily go to my description box, look at the chapter's heading and go straight to the one that best interests them. That way it saves them time. Now I can also go to this last part where I have 2 minutes 39 seconds and click, and you see that 108. Alright, so now that part also takes me towards the end of the video. It tells me or tells my audience that towards this time frame I talked about file size reduced by 56%. So now to add a chapter, what you need to do is simply hover your mouse and click on the edit video. When you click on the edit video, it takes you to your YouTube studio, and there you would see things like title box, description box. What I am interested in is in the description box, which is where I can easily add my chapters. So I'm going to make this and then talk about this section, which is where my chapters are. Alright, so here is the time frame or the timestamp, which is always starts your timestamp from 00. So I have 00 column 00 and then I have this hyphen there. It's not necessary that you need to put a hyphen, so you can just put a space and then put your introduction. You can also put a start if that's what you want. It doesn't matter. So you just be creative and think of the video that you have created and what you talked about. That is how you add a title or chapter to it. So my introduction runs all the way through to 30 seconds. So once at 30 seconds here, I will be talking about, or the video jumps into PDF compressor URL. So from 30 seconds up until this time, 1 minute 44 seconds, I talked about PDF compressor URL. So that is how easy to add a timestamp to your video. So the minimum timestamp that you can have is 10 seconds. So ensure that you don't have anything less than 10 seconds in YouTube videos. So you can go ahead and add timestamps to your previous videos, even videos you created 2, 3, 4 years ago. It's that easy to add timestamps. Once you finish in the description box, right, then go ahead and hit the save button. Then your description and timestamp is saved to the particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and if it helped you, please click the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below so I understand how it did help you. And if you're a creator, please let me know if you're able to add timestamp to your video. Stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video with more tech tips.